In today's video, we'll understand what is Kaizen in the simplest way possible. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. It simply means improving small things every day in a smart way. Not big expensive projects, just small changes that make work easier, faster, and better. Kaizen reduces waste, improves productivity, increases quality, and makes work safer. When small improvements happen daily, the overall results become very big. Imagine a worker who walks 20 steps every time to pick a tool. He does this 50 times a day. That's 1,000 steps wasted. Now if we simply bring the tool closer, he takes only 2 steps. We didn't buy any new machine. We didn't spend money, but we saved time, reduced fatigue, and increased productivity. That simple improvement is Kaizen. Think of your house keys. If you keep them in different places every day, you waste time searching. If you create a fixed spot near the door, you never lose time again. A small change, big benefit. This is also Kaizen. There are different types of Kaizen. Process Kaizen, improving workflow and steps. Quality Kaizen, reducing defects. Cost Kaizen, reducing waste or unnecessary expenses. Safety Kaizen, making work safer with small changes. Space Kaizen, improving layout and reducing movement. To start Kaizen, follow these 5 simple steps. Identify the problem. Find the root cause using the 5 Why technique. Propose small solutions. Implement the change. Check the result and standardize. Kaizen is not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday, even by 1%. Let's grow together. Thank you.